Hey yo, in this video I will show you how to replace the battery in a Midea i5. So you need to screw two screws here. First you take out this piece, so there is this roller here. And then you need to take out this piece, but there are two screws, one here, one here. You cannot use just a tiny screwdriver like this. You need something to apply some torque, so something like this, because they are quite tight. So you unscrew these two screws. And then this comes out. And the battery, you will find it in this compartment. There's this gasket, you can remove it to clean it because it will be full of dust. And then the battery is here, I already removed it. And this connector goes here. Here. And actually you cannot pull it out unless you press this release here. But this release is against the wall, so it's quite impossible to press it. What you need to do is to press all the assembly against this wall and pull it up as you press. This is the only way that it will come loose. Okay, so the battery will come inside this plastic assembly, and these are 4 lithium-ion cells, ICR 18650 Samsungs. So if you are comfortable with DIY, you can buy 4 cells and desolder all the assembly and solder the 4 cells in. Otherwise, if you want to buy the assembly all together, because this comes with the circuitry for battery control, charging, discharge protection. These are the prices for the original. If you want a Midea original with the same capacity, which is 2600 mAh, it's around 90 renminbi. For the American friends, 7 renminbi is like $1 US. So if you want the original plus some accessories like this comb and plus the rear wiper, it's like 10 renminbi more. If you don't want the black box, and you don't need it, because if you are replacing the battery, you can just keep the plastic box from the previous one. You can get just the battery assembly with a plastic wrapper for 80 renminbi, and if you want the accessories, 10 renminbi more. And then if you want more capacity, some sellers offer you an unbranded battery assembly for 3400. Sorry, it has 3400 milliamperes hour for almost the same price as the original. But if you look at the original, the battery cells are ICR from Samsung. I mean, the C stands for cobalt. This is already a good technology. I don't see the reason for going for an unbranded thing that you don't know how many milliamps will it have in reality. So I really would stick with the 2600 milliamperes hour from the original, because probably the unbranded, the real capacity is something like 2,000 to 3,000 mAh. I really disbelieve it will have 3400, because as far as I know, only the Panasonics make this capacity, and I doubt they can assemble 4 Panasonics plus this circuitry for just 100 renminbi. So yeah, I would advise you to go for the original, either with or without the box. So maybe I will make another video when I receive the replacement, but what you will do is to put the assembly with the plastic wrapper inside this. You need to take out the connector from one of the sides, and then this will click in place. When it clicks, you just put it inside, make sure the connector is connected, and that's it. Put the cover and everything back, and it will work as if it was new. For the record, this is the data of this machine in particular, so it's the i5 Young, and the rated voltage is 40.4 volts, so it means the 4 cells are in series. Each one is a nominal of 3.7, so this is in series. Okay, I hope it was helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.